Today I will gonna show you how to trade on Binance. So I open my Binance app, I go to my fund, I buy. Binance are very famous exchange because Cristiano Ronaldo sports Binance and run ads and whatever of Binance. Binance many famous coin. Binance is trusted exchange I ever find because every Binance gain trust of the customers and Binance fees also very negligible. Binance have many coins like BNB, BTC, and they are all crossing every time high because BTC reached $53,000, BNB reached $397, and ETH reached $3,151. Today I will gonna show you how to trade on Binance and earn dollars. There are many trades in Binance like future trade, spot trading, and whatever. This is market circulation that favorite I know favorite markets. These are coins. Yeah. This is spot trade. Buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell. There we buy and there we sell. This is future trade. Future trade is haram, so we don't do any future trades. We go there trades and first of all I find any coin. First of all, my aim is to find a coin with high fluctuation. I think this is best. First, see this chart. 15-minute time frame. See, this is low point and this is high point. When RSI is above below 70%, below 70, then we sell. Means then the coin became downward direction. If the RSI is below 30%, then coin became upward direction. So RSI is 63%. And if the coin last candle is above this middle line, then the coin price goes downward. This is technical analysis says because these are indicators, they are not 100% correct, but give us give a best direction of buying or selling. See this is midpoint and this is last candle, means this last candle is above formula and then this is go downward, so we don't buy this. Okay, go back, find another coin, find another coin. Okay, PYTH. I think this coin is best. This coin has same rules above the midline. Okay, find another. We don't buy BTC ETA because they have a very high price and we don't. I no, you don't have enough money to buy this. Geo, no, I think this is best. Okay, I check it. Ma- Today they see, guys, see carefully. When I buy this at $336.5, means there, then show it goes up, and now goes to down. So we find a coin. We can search on Google about any coin. Then we trade. Oh, this is limit, market, and stop limit. This is the we if we buy at market price, then we select market price and 100% and buy GN. If we want to sell, if we want to buy in limit price, then select limit and how my dollars how much percentage of my wallet I want to buy. I select percentage and then buy. If I want to sell, then if I want to sell at market price, then same I select market and all sell 100%. If I want to 50%, I select 50%. But if I want to sell limit price, means that I buy and I want to sell automatically. That when price is $355, then I select it 355 all and then sell. This is the short, this is 5 minute video to show you that how to buy how to trade on Binance. So if you like this video too, so like, share and subscribe, where that's why I became motivated and create more useful content. Okay, goodbye and meet next video.